Welcome to the video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how do you find an affiliate program to work with, to sign up with, a good one. Previous video, we talked about other affiliate programs. There's Amazon and ClickBank, there's Digistore, there's a couple other ones. Um, Digistore is a good one. They got some decent stuff. ClickBank is a big one. You can do pretty well there, especially if you're just starting off. Both those are a good place to start for beginners, depending on what niche you're in. Amazon is a big public company. I will not touch their affiliate marketing program at all. Um, it's not that's not good as far as yes, you get paid, and yes, it's a big store, and yes, they have lots of products, but their affiliate program itself largely sucks. Um, on the high end, you might make 10%. Most of the products, they have a chart. I've seen pictures of it before. It tells you what area, depending on what area the products are in, how much commission you can expect to make. And it's like 2, 3, 5, some 7s, some 8s, and some 10s. So not everything is 10%. Most of the products are between 2 and 5%. I'm not going to do anything for between 2 and 5%. I would have to have a boatload of traffic and a whole bunch of streams doing every product in the book to make it worthwhile or something along those lines. If you want to do Amazon, knock yourself out. But how do you find a good affiliate program? I myself, I only affiliate with products. First of all, products that or companies that I know they have a good product. I know they're not doing any questionable activities. The fact that people are complaining, people are happy with the company. Yes, and I'll promote the product. But I only do, even then, I only get involved with them if I'm making 30-35% commission or higher. My Make Money Online program, I think they're both 50%. One is how to set up and do YouTube videos, all the ins and outs, all that stuff. I make 50%. And it is one of the best YouTube tutorial videos, courses out there, hands down. My other one is how to make money online. It's how to get started in affiliate marketing. It is a great course. I make 50%. I can get bumped up to 75%, which I actually need to do. It's a good way to make some money. And the courses are the best in their industry, hands down, especially with the Make Money Online course. If you want to start into the niche on how to do affiliate marketing and teach others how to do affiliate marketing or how to make money online, you can't do any better, especially with the commission. It's a high ticket item. It's great. But should you want to start in something else, the thing you need to remember is that private offers will always pay you more and give you a higher commission than public offers. Amazon's a good example of a public company, and their affiliate program is not worth the time or energy to even sign up, in my opinion. There's some other companies, I don't mention any names, but they have really good products, even the health and wellness public companies that just offer like 5%. It's like, that's no, you know what? You like that stuff, go find the store yourself. But there are ones out there that pay really good. So I'm going to show you how to find affiliate programs, private offers that pay you much better. So let's go to the computer. I'm going to show you how it's done. If you want to find an offer, something that works for you, you're going to start with affiliate marketing. Typing is not my strong point. I apologize. Affiliate marketing. Let's say health and wellness. Whatever. It'll figure it out. So you scroll down. Here's one here. 5 best health and wellness affiliate programs. Let's see how good they are first. But it'll come up and there will be here a list. He has 5. Make Green Mattress, I don't know, NutriFits, Adcom, or whatever. So these are the 5 he's talking about. So I would go down to, let's see, the first one, NutriFit's 5% commission rate. Knock yourself out. That's what you want. NutriProfits. It is something to do with something with health food, supplements, something. Anyway, but NutriProfits here. The cookie duration's a lifetime. The commission's of 40%. 40% is a good commission. Now, when it says cookie duration is a lifetime, that means if you send them a link and they use their link, doesn't matter when they use it, you'll get the money. If you, because if they don't, once they go there once, even if they go there on their own later on, that cookie will kick in and say, oh, the way they found your website was through me or through whoever. So you constantly get the profits. If you look at some of these other ones, let's go back here real quick. It says a cookie duration of 45 days. What that means is if you send them a link and they go there and they don't buy anything in 45 days, and they kind of visit a few times, but then they kind of on their own, just typing it in or whatever. But then in like 2 months, 60 days later, they decide, nope, I'm going to buy something. They go there and they buy something. You don't get any commission because they didn't use your link. Your link was only good for 45 days on their computer, basically. So, which is fine, but that means you really have to be after them. 45 days is actually a pretty good length. A lifetime, I'm not sure if I've ever seen a lifetime before. That is amazing. So let's say you want to do that. NutriProfits affiliate programs. Can't talk today. So you sign up, same as usual. Terms and conditions. I mentioned this before. Pay very close attention to the terms and conditions. They will tell you how you can, and most importantly, how you cannot offer their products, promote their products, contact the consumer, place their banners, their pictures, or whatever it is. Some of them, a good portion of them, will at least have some kind of advertising help you can use. Pictures, posts, scripts, banners, whatever it is, that helps. Let's say it's going to show me their offers. There we go. So here are the offers. Up top, let's say pick the country you're in. This one has a lot of countries. United States. Apply. All right, so here it tells you what the name of the product is, the countries, the commission, and percentage. This is a 60% commission. That's not bad. And how much you expect to make off of each sale on that product. And then the category tells you what it is. Male enhancement. It's a huge niche to be in. No pun intended. That might sound weird. Protein bars, weight loss, acne, weight loss, bodybuilding is a good one. So let's say, now health and wellness is a large niche in itself. So you could, if you do your content right, your website right, your funnel right, you could actually promote a good variety of products, but you need to be careful not to be too wide. It will confuse people and you won't get anywhere. You'll be treading water. You might get a few sales, but it's fussy. So you have to be careful not to do too much. A lot of people have contacted me, or I've seen them in message boards saying, I'm in with ClickBank or with this or with that. I'm got my product up there, but not getting any sales. One, it takes time, and two, you have to have content. But the third thing is, don't confuse the consumer on where you stand on whatever it is you're promoting. You cannot promote, health and wellness stuff right alongside make money online stuff in the same thing. If you have two if you have two different streams, by all means. I've seen people on the same website, the same system, promoting totally different things, and no one knows what it is you're actually doing because you're splitting the consumers. Don't do that. But back on here, let's say you wanted to specialize in a particular thing. If it was me, I would go with maybe weight loss. Weight loss is a big sub niche. United States, here's your commissions, percentage, what you can expect to make. This is everything you can promote in the United States that has to do with weight loss. So if you're specializing in weight loss, you can sit here and just do, talk about one item, then maybe talk about another item and how the items work together don't do two of the same items. Don't do like weight burning coffee one week and another weight burning coffee another week. Um, Unless you're doing a product review on how one is better than the other, and make sure the other one isn't from the company you're using, and then promote the one. Then you're pushing people into 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 that product or into that funnel, and it filters them down to here's the product, buy it. But that's how you basically do it. You just type it in however you want. So my green mattress is their neutral profits. So what else they got? They got ad combo. I have no idea what that is. No information. If it has no information, don't even bother. Thrive Market is organic foods. That's a good one. 14 days isn't really that long. I don't like to go too close to that, but um, they have a lot of stuff. And they're diversified a little bit. You can see it has vitamins and supplements, meats, Bath and Body Works. So you may want to be careful with something like that, not to be too wide again. You could use that. You have to be careful on how you market them. But that would be one. Let's say you want to do something like crypto. So crypto is huge. Um, 27. Okay, so here's 27 crypto affiliate Bitcoin market things, companies. So you scroll down, Paxful here. CPA, as it brings out here, cost per action. Some of the affiliate programs give you a flat commission on sales. Some of them will give you a cost per action, which is much, much lower than 50%. But it means just by someone going there and taking actions within the website, you get some money. Um, so I don't. I try to when it has both, you can pick which one you want. I like the flat commission, 50%. And the payment is in cryptocurrency. So depending on what they pay you with, that could be really good for you. I'm assuming it's probably Bitcoin. I don't know. But 50% is big. CoinSmart, up to $50. Uh, sounds more like a cost per lead. 50 commission rate up to $50. No, I mean if you want to knock yourself out, I wouldn't do that. Binance, I like Binance actually. Up to 50%. It's big. 20% I pass. 30% is okay. 55% for Bitfinex. For no idea. $5 pass. Here's one. Bitmart. 70%. I actually love Bitmart. I do. They have great. I should promote them too. It's amazing, especially for 70%. Um, but that's an easy way to get involved if you want to push cryptocurrencies. Maybe you want to do relationships. So six. Let's try. 7 dating affiliate marketing program. So you click on this. You scroll down. All right. So Christian Cafe. You want to go there? Commission 120-day cookies, good. It's a 40% commission. I don't know how much money you'd actually make. I don't know. $2. I don't even know why you'd even bother with an affiliate program if the commission rate is $2. Cupid, 75% commission rate. I don't know how much the product is, but in 30 days isn't bad. But it goes on like that. So basically, whatever you want, if you want a niche, type in affiliate marketing and then whatever your niche is, um, and see what it is. So that's basically how it works. That's the easiest way to go out and find affiliate marketing programs. Again, stay within your niche. Some of these are great offers, but like the one I Thrive Market, I think something like that, had a wide variety of stuff. Um, it's better to stay in a single sub niche if you can. Like if you do finance, do crypto or do stock. Don't do crypto. You can do both, but you have to make sure your content flows and it makes sense. If someone's interested in crypto and you're talking about that, and then you switch to stocks, now they have to decide which way where to go, and sometimes they get frustrated and you don't get anything. If you're doing health and wellness and you're talking about keto diet and losing weight and getting in shape and just feeling good, and then you go straight to maybe male enhancement, I don't know, whatever, you can lose your audience. So you want to, and that's what the consumer literally does. They're like, well, and they get stuck, and then nothing happens, and then you're frustrated. It's 2 months down the road, you're not making any money, and you're wondering, I did everything I was supposed to, I'm not making any money. You're frustrating your consumer. Pick on a specific niche, a specific focus, and go in that direction. And keep pounding it with content. People do a funnel. It says, I have a funnel out there. It's up and running. Nothing's happening. You have to. A funnel is great, but funnel is meant to catch everything that comes into it. And the only way to get people into it, sometimes someone will just fall in as they go over it, but you navigate people, that you push them, you put content and you promote it. This is all about promoting an offer. If you're going to go into the MMO field, telling people how to make money online, like myself, be very careful. You'll see people saying you can make wild amount of money in 24 hours. Now, you can make a lot of good, you could have a good day and make a lot of money in 24 hours, but normally those people are 6, 7, 8, 9 months in. And it's a combination of all of their work. They had one day what they made $8,000 or 10 grand. That's great. That's fantastic. I mean, a $10,000 a month is good. It's not every month, unless you really have a lot of business going, a lot of streams. Personally, I don't want to do that much work. I love the months, but I just want enough money to pay my bills and not sit in front of the computer. So you will get out of it what you put in. If you want to get into MMO niche, it's a good place to be. I encourage you to go talk to me first because, well, that's my niche. I love helping people, and that's how I pay my bills. I have a fantastic program for that too, but I won't promote that here. This is just educational. By all means, if you have any questions, any comments, leave them below. I'd love to hear from you. Shoot me an email. Other than that, I hope this helped, and I will see you on the next video.